All right, we're going to go ahead and start with actually creating a Facebook application directly inside of Facebook today. And then from there, once we've created that, we're going to then move into actually how to publish the Facebook application inside your Facebook world. And once we're there, then I'm going to start showing you how to actually start marketing this application in your Facebook world, and how great it is now that you can actually provide a property search to all of your Facebook friends and family right inside of Facebook with all of the great tools that you have in your website world. When a consumer now is right here inside Facebook, they can share this in their social world as well. They can still fill out all the lead generation forms directly inside here. For brokers, there's an agent roster, recruiting. If you're an agent, maybe you want to add your hot buys list, or your search by map component is all in here as well. I mean, this is just an amazing tool. I'm very excited to show you. We're seeing some huge results from agents and brokers now using this system. So simply what you'll want to do here is go to sales aspects. That's the first approach. Now, this morning we created the CRM and email marketing portion, and now we're going to go ahead and move into creating our Facebook account. So simply you'll sign in to salesaspects.com with your username and password, and you'll then click on the website tab. And you'll see here, if you have a website already created, you don't want to delete that. You'll want to click on the new website red button here. And what I like to do is I like to go ahead and create a URL that's something that's telling me that it's from Facebook. And the reason is, if somebody's on there and they fill out a lead form, I want to know that that lead was actually initiated from my Facebook application. So I'm going to go ahead and call this Facebook Vacaville Real Estate. Okay, and then I have my subdomain here. If it's your domain, obviously this would be .your own individual domain. If you're using your company's subdomain, then it would be your company's name. If this is your first time creating your own domain, you would have to then put in your domain here. But I recommend creating your website first and then creating your Facebook application second. Simply what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down here, and you'll see all these different really cool Facebook color palettes for you to choose from. So there's a number of different color options. There's seasons. I'm going to simply click on the black and silver option here. I'm going to click on red create website tab, and you'll see here this is the Facebook Agent 1 and Facebook Agent 2. Content is property focused. This is the one that I really recommend using, and I'm going to go ahead and choose that template. And now I have created my website world. Now I'm going to go ahead and publish my Facebook application in here. And now when you click on the actual Facebook icon, you'll see that my actual app is ready to go. I've got my property search. My listings will automatically, featured listings will publish in here automatically. And now I've got my integrated property search as well. Now I've got a full content management system that allows me to manage all of the content by simply clicking on Start New Revision, Edit Revision. Now I can manage my entire navigation up top, so if I want to change my nav or add to it, I can. Maybe instead of About Me, maybe I want to say short sales, or maybe I want to do a market update. Okay, and we'll go a little bit into that. So I'm going to simply click on Market Update, close menu, And now I've got my market update right here on the top level navigation ready to go. All right, now I simply want to click on Add Page, and I'm going to call this my market update page. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and build that out, and I'll go ahead and now add that to the navigation under market update. All right, now I need to actually add some content into my market update page. And so that could be a script, a third-party script that I might want to add from Zillow or Trulia, or maybe I want to even go even further. And let me give you kind of an example of one that I really like that I showed you this morning, Kahala and Associates. This is a Hawaiian company that's one of our clients. You'll see under trends, they've got some nice trending information here currently about the market. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab this just so you can show you how they did that. And I'm going to go ahead now and add page content. Okay. I'm going to take out the heading. Why don't we go ahead and put this as August 1st, 2011. All right, so there you can see I've put some market updates. If I want to add some additional headings, if I want to add an RSS feed, image rotation, if I want to add a lead form, a script, any of that. I want to add a video to that. I can do that as well. Let's just go to YouTube. Let me show you how to add a video right onto your Facebook account. So let's look at here. Let's see. There's a little market update from Remax that they've got on YouTube. Cool. So you see here, you can go ahead and publish your own videos, or maybe you want to add use somebody else's. You just simply click on Share, Embed. Obviously, you'd have to upload your own videos if you want to use your own. I'm just going to copy this little script so that we can walk through this real quick, and I can show you how to do it. So I'm going to click on Add Page Content. I'm going to add a script container and paste. Not sure if that'll be too large or not, but that's okay. Let's just go ahead and click here on this link here to view it. You can see it's kind of a little too long here, so I'm going to go ahead and click on Edit, and the actual frame width is 560. You need to be at about 300 pixels on the actual Facebook application to make that work. Maybe 480. Let's try 480. Perfect, 480 pixels. That is beautiful. So you can see I've got my video embedded right under my market update. Okay. Now what I want to do is I'm going to close these out here, and I'm going to first now click on my navigation again, click on the market update, and you'll see go to page. This is, I want to go to my actual market update page that I created, update, and publish. And so now that's right inside my main navigation. I also might want to actually have a market up by month, like I showed you on Kahala. So multiple market updates. Okay, so that's something that you could do as well. Very easy. And there we go. So now let's go ahead and go back to website management. What I need to do here is actually publish. the revision. There we go. And now we've got our property search, we've got our market update, along with our video right here embedded into our app. Okay. Now what we need to do is, first of all, you have to get your main body Facebook link, which is your URL here. You can see I've got Facebook Vacaville Real Estate .SABroker demo as my demo. I'm going to click on copy. Now what you'll want to do is, for one, you need to either have your own Facebook fan page created that you've maybe already created in the past. If not, you need to create one. And you simply, to create one, you scroll all the way down to the very bottom of your Facebook page. There's a couple of ways you can create it from your existing account. Or you can simply log out, and you'll see here, create a page. And I like to go for local business or places and choose your category. All right, I'm going to go ahead and choose real estate. You put in your Vacaville real estate, your address, your phone number, click agree, and boom, get started. So then what happens from there is that you want to click on now your Vacaville real estate here on the left hand side. So let me show you. Under your general Facebook account, remember, you're building now a business actual page, okay? And you'll see here where it says pages, Vacaville real estate. That's the one that you just created. It will give you the ability again to upload your logo. I'll give you a little bit more hints on there. But what you want to do, and this is one of the secret portions of now publishing your application, your Facebook app, your real estate app, to now your Facebook world. First of all, you're going to type in home swing and app, and then you can see that this is the home swing app. This is our application that allows you to publish the app to your Facebook fan page. Okay, so remember, I copied the URL here, and I go to got my home swing. So now remember, homeswing.com. I click on paste, and now I have pasted my actual Facebook app in here. Okay. All right. Now I need to go ahead and register page. Okay. And it says here, now home swing application profile page, click on go to page, click on the add to page link, and select your page. So we're going to go here and all right, we're going to add to my page, okay, here on the left hand side, okay, and we'll try to go through this a couple of times, and then you're going to select the actual page that you want to add, because you can have multiple fan pages within your account. Vacaville Real Estate, added page, okay. Now let's go ahead and go back to our Vacaville Real Estate page from our profile page, okay. And now you can see your home search is right here on your Vacaville Real Estate. So I click on here, and now you can see the consumer can actually have the ability to search all the homes in your marketplace. Pretty cool, huh? There we go. Now, the other thing that they can do is they can see your market update along with this cool little video that you actually added. Isn't Isn't that great? Now the beauty of this is that these videos and all this content is on your Facebook fan page all the time, versus data that you're doing a post that they can only get to when you actually make that post, or if they can find that actual post, right? So again, this is a great way for you to give them information and content that is readily available and that they can refer out to their friends and family. Because again, what I recommend you doing is integrating this so that you add like the share of this tool and those kinds of things, the walk score information on here as well. Okay, and we're going to be going over that. Now also you can add your logo into the app. So we're going to go ahead and start revision, edit revision, and maybe I want to add a logo here. And there you go. Now let's go ahead and edit revision. Let's do a couple of other things. One, under select page, you can see all of the pages that you have already created that are created for you on your account. And then you can also edit any one of those. Okay, again, you can see the market update page that we created earlier, my listings, contact, about me. What about standard pages such as the property detail page? Now share this is automatically integrated. Again, what I recommend is maybe even adding a lead form to your detail pages, adding some third-party scripts. But if you click on the actual detail information, you can see here that the auto registration process is auto turned on to the page as well. I like moving the actual property map up. So I'll show you how to do that. You simply click on the property map. You can see move that up. Okay. And I like having that really up front top. In here, you've got some walk score data and all that automatically in here, it looks like. Okay. Now let's go ahead and click on publish. And publish. I'm going to click on view. Let's just go ahead and do a search. All right, and let's take a look at here. You can see the share of this data. You can see I've moved the map up top here. This gives you some general info. Your walk score and your school data is on here. Now again, when you start revision, click on edit. Under select a page and property detail page, and you click here to edit. Here at the bottom, if you don't see the walk score, you'll need to click here on this link and take you to walk score to register. You'll click on sign up, and it again will give you a code to actually publish into your account, and that's where you will want to actually put in your walk score ID that they provide you. I also recommend registering with Share This and getting your own Share This ID as well. If you want to remove any kind of content, you can do that as well, but you also have to click on display. All right, so that's something else that you'll need to do. Okay, so that's the first step. Now we're going to go ahead and click on Publish Revision. Publish. And there we go. So let's go ahead and go to our walk score. Let's click on Home Search. You can see that I've added my logo. My featured listings with photos and everything will publish. I've got my property search, If I want to update any of the content, it's here. But this thing's pretty much slam dunk ready to go now. You know, you can update your market update, you know, however you want. That's totally up to you. Adding videos every month. Again, a great tool. You can, you know, change this out anytime. Feel free, and you're ready to go. Now, getting started, let's talk about that on the top hand corner here. About once you've got your Facebook fan page created, you obviously need to click on here to invite friends from your existing Facebook fan page. So that's simply click on here, and then you can invite all of your friends and family from your Facebook world. Also, you can tell your fans by doing an import. Maybe you have a contact database from Sales Aspect CRM or from Gmail or Outlook. You simply click on import. You can import from any of the mail service providers or other email providers, or there's also some other tools to import through a CSV component here. So you simply just pull the actual file and extract that in and import that in. It will then now send out a notification, just like, you know, you're doing, just like managing your normal Facebook world. You got to make sure you're doing your wall post as well. Now you can also think about promoting with an ad, and maybe you want to actually promote with a geographical ad, you know, specific age group, specific you know, interest. Maybe they have some interest in real estate. This Facebook world will allow you to create these ads, and you're looking at between $1 to $3 per click-through to get them to like you. And that's really what you really want to start focusing on, is getting as many likes to your Facebook world as well. Okay? And now again, I've seen many agents that are really doing a huge amount of business in this world, but it's about growing likes within this in this Facebook world to do that, and getting them to use your Facebook world as their property search. You can also show here, I've added a link here as visit your website. So maybe they do want to visit your website. And again, you can just hyperlink them out to your site if you want, just like that. That's going to be on another webinar that I'm rolling out later next week, but that's okay. We'll go through that a little bit later. All right, well, that is the Facebook application implementation and setup and management. Again, when the consumer is on your Facebook and they register, again, those leads auto fall directly into your CRM account as new leads. If this is a company, you can fall into the lead administration and distribution system, so you can go through the auto assignment process or manual assignment. You can have as many Facebook profile applications as you want within your account. And again, this is a huge tool that hopefully you can use in your arsenal. Again, it's about generating as much traffic out there as you possibly can through your website, through Facebook, through email marketing, through auto listing notifications. All of those services work directly inside the Facebook system. So this gives, again, the consumer the ability to search all of that inventory and use all the great features just like your website in their Facebook world, such as searching for homes, using the auto listing notifications, and now you can track them right inside your CRM. It has the mid-level registration. Again, you can build amazing landing pages of content. When the consumer is on here, they can now share this listing in their Facebook world. So now that all of their friends and family can actually see and search on your Facebook world, like your Facebook page, and start using all of your great real estate resources for acquiring their next home. All right. If you have any